National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses the placement of disconnecting means for outside air conditioning units. Article 440.14 specifically dictates that the disconnecting means must be located out or within sight from the equipment it serves, and it must also be readily accessible. This means that the disconnect needs to be positioned so that it can be reached quickly and easily for operation, renewal, or inspection. The key aspect here is the definition of readily accessible. The NEC Article 100 defines readily accessible as being capable of being reached quickly for operation, renewal, or inspections, without requiring those to whom ready access is requisite to climb over or remove obstacles or to resort to portable ladders, chairs, and similar items. This definition effectively prohibits the placement of a disconnect at a height that necessitates the use of a ladder or other climbing device for access. Installing a disconnect 10 feet above the ground would violate this requirement. Since someone would need a ladder to reach it, it cannot be considered readily accessible. The NEC aims to ensure that electrical components, including disconnects, can be safely and conveniently operated and maintained. This accessibility is crucial for both routine maintenance and emergency situations. Consider a scenario where an air conditioning unit malfunctions and needs to be quickly shut down. If the disconnect is mounted 10 feet up, valuable time could be lost while someone locates and sets up a ladder. This delay could potentially exacerbate the problem or pose a safety risk. The readily accessible requirement also applies to qualified personnel who need to perform inspections or repairs on the equipment. Requiring them to use a ladder every time they need to access the disconnect would be impractical and potentially hazardous. The NEC prioritizes safety and efficiency in electrical installations, and the readily accessible requirement for disconnects reflects this commitment. There are several practical implications related to understanding the readily accessible requirement. Firstly, consider the installation height. Disconnect should be mounted at a height that allows easy reach from the ground, typically between 4 and 6 feet. This ensures that anyone needing to operate the disconnect can do so without assistance. Secondly, the location should be in direct line of sight. The disconnect must be visible from the air conditioning unit itself. This allows for quick identification and operation in case of an emergency. It also prevents confusion about which unit the disconnect controls, especially in situations where multiple units are installed in close proximity. Thirdly, the area around the disconnect must be kept clear of obstructions. There should be no bushes, fences, or other obstacles that could impede access to the disconnect. A clear path to the disconnect is essential for ensuring that it can be reached quickly and safely. Fourthly, consider the environmental conditions. While the NEC doesn't explicitly address environmental conditions in the context of accessibility, it's important to consider how weather might affect access to the disconnect. For example, in areas with heavy snowfall, the disconnect should be mounted high enough to prevent it from being buried in snow. In coastal areas, corrosion-resistant material should be used to protect the disconnect from salt air. The NEC provides a framework for ensuring electrical safety, and its requirements are based on years of experience and analysis of potential hazards. By adhering to the NEC guidelines, electrical contractors and homeowners can help to prevent accidents and ensure that electrical systems operate safely and efficiently. When installing or maintaining electrical equipment, it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician who is familiar with the NEC requirements. A qualified electrician can assess the specific circumstances of the installation and ensure that all work is done in accordance with the applicable codes and standards. It's also important to remember that electrical codes are constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay up to date on the latest changes. Many resources are available for learning about the NEC, including online training courses, seminars, and publications. By investing in education and training, individuals can improve their understanding of electrical safety and help to prevent accidents. In summary, the NEC prohibits the installation of an air conditioning disconnect at a height of 10 feet due to the readily accessible requirement. Disconnects must be located within sight of the equipment they serve and be easily accessible without the need for ladders or other climbing devices. Adhering to these guidelines is essential for ensuring electrical safety and preventing accidents. Always consult with a qualified electrician and stay up to date on the latest NEC requirements. It is important to understand that the NEC is not a design manual, but a minimum safety standard. Following the NEC helps ensure safety for electrical installations.